Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. So, despite the CPI numbers coming out really bad today, that's actually not what worries me. Yes, they're going to raise interest rates, but they did that in May. And yes, we went down a little bit and then we bounced back pretty strongly. However, there is one signal that I am worried about, and that is what we're looking at right now, the dollar index or the DXY. It's been pretty dependable that when the DXY goes up, Bitcoin goes down, and the DXY is 100 at $104.09. Now, that's significantly up on the day. And if you look at the 3-month graph, which is what I'm more concerned about, you can see that we're hitting the 3-month high. And we really haven't been that high since, mid-May. And I think that's like right after the Terra collapse. And I think like if we go any higher, Bitcoin might have a more permanent collapse down even further. But the thing is that might not happen because I think you're kind of running out of sellers as well. I think retail has pretty much been completely flushed out. I think the last of them probably got flushed out by the Terra Luna thing, if not earlier. And now you just have big banks and institutions that aren't really willing to sell Bitcoin. Altcoins, however, may not actually be faring as well. I still think there's plenty of people that are actually willing to sell altcoins. And the DXY going higher could actually spell doom for a lot of altcoins. I do think DXY going higher will actually make the altcoins bleed more against Bitcoin. So I think it would actually be wiser to consolidate money into either USDC or BTC right now. BTC might hang around $30,000 just because all the short-term retailers are actually out and there's not that many people actually willing to sell. There might be fluctuations and like spikes up or down, but I think overall we're going to even out around $30,000 in terms of Bitcoin. Altcoins, I think, will actually go exact opposite of the dollar index and probably continue bleeding out if we go to 105 or higher. We haven't been to 105 in like decades, essentially. And I do think people will take that as a signal. Yes, there actually might be a red candle down this week because of the CPI numbers, and a red candle down next week because of the rise in interest rates, which will make the yields go up, which is bad for crypto and risk on investments. However, I think overall, Bitcoin will actually be just fine, but altcoins will actually bleed because people have less confidence in altcoins and more people gamble on altcoins, and some of those gamblers are going to be taking back their money. So right now, consolidating in Bitcoin or consolidating in USDC would probably be a pretty good idea, especially if the DXY goes above 105. I think that would actually spell really bad news for altcoins. We've actually been in the 102, 103 territory for quite a while now. And I think like going past this plateau of like 105 would actually be really, really bad. So that is definitely one signal to watch. And I think right now, because of the gas prices and because of CPI numbers, this is actually going to get pretty bad. So I don't know if altcoins are the right way to go right now. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.